Top 3 dogs that are strong off leash. If you like dogs, like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's important to consider breeds that are known for their loyalty, intelligence, and strong recallability. Here are some of the best dog breeds that are generally known for being reliable off leash. 3. Labrador Retriever. Labs are known for their strong bond with humans and excellent training abilities. They are social and enjoy staying near their owners. 2. Australian Shepherd. With strong herding instincts, Australian Shepherds are naturally inclined to keep an eye on their flock. They are highly trainable and respond well to commands. 1. Border Collie. Known for their strong bond with their owners and excellent recallability. They excel in obedience training and love to work closely with their humans.